I think China has taken very strong measures of confinement, very strong measures of testing, and it has been also an inspiration for many countries that have seen what China has done and that have duplicated what China has done. When you see people now wearing masks in China, we are starting now to do the same here. When we see that China has adapted measures for testing, with testing temperature of the people, well, we see that we are now starting the same. So we can see how China did, what China did, how it coped with the virus, and we can take inspiration from that in our politics to apply to fight the virus.